कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहेंगे म्यूज़िक के लिए। आज भी हम म्यूज़िक की सक्सेस को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे क्या कहना चाहेंगे।
जानना चाहिए क्या कहना चाहिए
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज, मतलब
वो इस फिल्म की यूएसपी भी है ना, ये म्यूजिक उसका एक इंटीग्रल पार्ट है, उसका हिस्सा है।
खास करके बिकॉज गाने हमारी मूवी में कोई भी लिप सिंक सॉन्ग्स नहीं है, तो मूवी इज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट जॉनर, सो दैट्स व्हाई म्यूजिक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। बिकॉज हमारे पास गाने शूट करने के लिए थे नहीं, so all the footage that we picked up was for this song, so that's why गाने exactly same वो emotion convey करें जी, what was intended।
ये गाने जो हैं, जो ये कैरेक्टर्स हैं, ये इनकी जुबान है, तो बहुत कुछ कहती है इनके लिए, इन कैरेक्टर्स के लिए।
unsaid words are spoken through
जी।
What is the storyline of the film, और क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि किस तरह से टारगेट ऑडियंस क्या रहेगा इस फिल्म का? It's the family kind of movie or particular audience?
I don't think there is any specific target audience.
Everyone I think who has a heart.
Yeah, please.
No, everyone I think who has a heart is the target audience.
Yeah.
And he's saying
मुझे लगता है ये बस एक ह्यूमन स्टोरी है, और क्रिकेट इज जस्ट अ बैकड्रॉप ऑफ इट। सो आई थिंक इट्स फॉर एवरीबडी हु कनेक्ट्स टू अपना जो बेसिक ह्यूमन इमोशन होता है, उसके साथ जो ही कनेक्ट करते हैं उनके लिए।
So whether it's a 20-year-old or an 80-year-old, exactly. I think it's something that is, I would say, there's an earnestness to it which has an appeal for everyone. So there is no target audience. If that's just to answer
Everybody is the target audience.
ओके, जब हम बात करते हैं क्रिकेट की, तो एक ऑडियंसेस के दिल में अलग ही क्रिकेट ने जगह बना रखी है। सो डू यू थिंक कि वो एक बेनिफिट होगा इस फिल्म?
ये फिल्म भी एक अलग जगह बनाएगा ऑडियंस के दिमाग में क्रिकेट को लेकर।
ओके,
but I think that will, I think in all honesty it will make a difference because it's a cricket film. So the point is also, अब इंडिया की स्टोरी बता रहे हैं तो सॉकर को लेकर तो नहीं बता सकते या रग्बी को लेकर नहीं बता सकते। The most popular sport is cricket, so that's why the whole story will work.
पर और एक चीज़ भी है कि सिर्फ क्रिकेट लाइक इट्स नॉट
just about cricket.
या वो बाउंड्री लाइन के बाद जो एक इंडस्ट्री चलता है, उसके बारे में भी है।
जो इनका किरदार है, इनकी पर्सनल जर्नी है, वो क्रिकेट से जुड़ी हुई है। सो इट्स अ पर्सनल स्टोरी विद द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ क्रिकेट।
Right, exactly.
One common question for all three of you, both cricket and Bollywood are considered as a religion in India. दोनों बहुत बड़ा है, people follow it. अभी हाल ही में जो हो रहा है, मतलब पाकिस्तान अटैक, तो ये बताइए कि क्रिकेट जो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन होते हैं या जो क्रिएटिव आर्टिस्ट होते हैं, उन पे जो बैन लगता है इस वजह से,
What does that have to do with the film?
It has to do because
But this is not about that. The film is not about that.
उससे लेना देना नहीं है, आपका पॉइंट मैं समझ रहा हूँ।
Yeah, but this is nothing to talk about international sports and politics. This is the story of somebody who is in the field of cricket, but it's his personal journey. And that's what it is, and that's what
No, sir, my question is that freedom should be given to the artist and the sports person, even
yeah,
if they
but that's a generic thing. I also say freedom
But
should be
where
given.
there's
I can say what I want, okay?
It's our
But
industry.
it's
a democracy. Yeah, freedom.
there is freedom, but see, every freedom also comes with certain conditions or limitations attached. Today, I have the freedom to say anything I want on this mic. Fair enough? If I abuse you on this platform, you will not like it. So I have to know where to draw the line. That each one has to understand that responsibility. That we have to understand. And that applies to everybody. Today, if you abuse me in front of the mic, I won't like it, and it works vice versa. So I think on a specific level, this generality applies to every profession, not just cricket. Or sports, or the arts, or the performing arts. Again, they are also part of the same cycle.
What about the quality content? People are appreciating quality content as such. It's not like about star-obsessed kind of audience nowadays. I mean, it's not like about all the big stars gaining appreciation. Even a very average film doing well at the box office, what do you say?
It's very simple. The content is king. It's proved that point, and I'm sure there'll be many more films to come where they prove that the content is the king.
What do you say?
I think थोड़ा टाइम लग गया, लेकिन I think the Indian audience is coming of age now, and it is always nice if good things are appreciated. The audience actually बहुत ज़्यादा tolerance नहीं है, right? Is what I feel. You have to keep feeding them good stuff. You can't just live off of an image anymore.
See, there's so much to offer. Understand, in today's times where we have the cell phone, where every form of entertainment is possible on that. So when the quantity, the supply is in abundance, then the choices that a person makes will be based on what finally? Content.
It's their choice to top it up, yeah.
I think everybody likes a good story also. Everybody likes listening to a proper good story. That most people.
Artist as
They're good.
Exactly.
They're good. They're so good. So they're going to get good roles.
Okay.
Because I think, in fact, I think it was not very fair. Pehle. Now the audience is coming of age. They like the characters to be real, and the actors appreciate
You see
it.
what is happening slowly? The concept of hero, villain,
Right.
has disintegrated.
Right.
So when you're looking from the 80s gradually and you turn into 2003, cross that and see the change happening.
Right.
So those stereotypes, those fixed images of what we have of a hero have fallen.
का आज अगर देखा जाए तो म्यूज़िक की सक्सेस को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे क्या फीलिंग है लोगों को सॉन्ग्स इतने पसंद आ रहे हैं, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I think music is one thing which it is so deep inside. So I think music is something which you take back from a film. You always take back, if you are lucky if you take back music from a film. So and I hope, I pray, and I'm sure it's going to happen with talents like this and talent like Mithali, that people are going to take back our music back home with our film.
ओके, मिताली मैम, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी? एक फिल्म में सॉन्ग कितना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है और कितना ज़रूरी होता है एक स्टोरी को पोर्ट्रे करने के लिए?
I'll speak in English.
Yeah, sure.
I always think that music should be a part of the narration and not outside the film. So it is a part of storytelling, and my songs also is through my songs I said the story moved forward and not just stayed in one place. I've tried that, and thanks to Bobo, and thanks to Amurto and Smikita and Amit Mishra and Siddharth is not here. So they have all contributed in their respective places. Very nice, and this is the Sanjay song. So I would, coming back to your question, that I never wanted my songs to be out from the story, and every song took the film forward. So it's a part of the narration.
ओके, आप दोनों क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप दोनों का पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा मिताली मैम के साथ में काम करते हुए?
So I've sung the song Sanjay. Siddharth has written the lyrics, और this is composed by Bobo. और I think personally मेरे लिए ये बहुत स्पेशल गाना है, because इसके पहले जो भी गाने किए I've sung like an itemish song, a party song, a lot of different styles of songs, and this is one of the first few songs which is very very emotional. और बहुत इसमें ब्यूटी is abundant, and all credit goes to Siddharth and Bobo for making it such a beautiful song. And when I got to know कि ये गाना निकलने वाला है, and we saw the visual and everything, I was super excited, क्योंकि बहुत सुंदर गाना है. ऐसे actually बहुत अच्छा लगता है when you get to sing a song, such a song that you fall in love with objectively. Like if I hadn't sung the song also, I would have got it along. So, and that's like a double joy. So I really love being a part of this.
All I have to say is that हमारी actually मैं पहले भी stage पे भी I was saying this earlier that I had a conversation with Mithali ma'am on the phone, and because ma'am was in Kolkata and we were in Mumbai. उस टाइम पे भी मैम ने she gave a brief as she was mentioning कि it's a part of the narrative. So the song talks about both the characters. And so that time we spoke over the phone. I got the brief from her clearly, and then वो बस हो गया. And I would really want to mention Bobo Rahul's name. Bobo Da, we call him Dada, senior है. So his composition was such that the word Sanjay also stemmed out of the composition, the chorus that we were looking at, and then obviously keeping the brief in mind, the storyline in mind, and also keeping the song in mind कि अच्छा इस मेलोडी के साथ कैसा जाएगा. And of course Nikita and Pardeep have sung it beautifully. Like I don't think anybody else could have done justice to it.